This video will focus on how managers can keep employees motivated and productive. We'll explore using the LAB profile to improve motivation, communication, and performance. Most managers communicate with every employee in roughly the same way. However, different people are motivated by very different communication styles. The LAB profile helps managers discover exactly how each employee naturally becomes motivated and productive. Managers often face a problem. Why does one employee respond immediately while another resists? Why does one stay motivated while another loses focus? Why do some need pressure while others need encouragement? The important discovery is that different people are motivated by different language patterns. The LAB profile identifies these patterns, revealing how a person becomes motivated, makes decisions, stays productive, responds to pressure, prefers to work, and what language naturally influences them. When managers know an employee's LAB profile patterns, they gain a new advantage. They know how to motivate them, communicate effectively, reduce resistance, and maintain productivity. Managers stop guessing and start using communication patterns that naturally fit the employee's thinking architecture. The TORD pattern motivates employees through goals, rewards, achievement, winning, and success. Motivating language includes phrases like, "Here's what you can achieve," and "This moves you toward the goal." TORD employees are energized when focusing on goals and progress. The away from pattern motivates employees by solving problems, avoiding mistakes, preventing trouble, and reducing risk. Motivating language includes, "This will prevent future problems," or "We need to avoid errors here." Away from employees are motivated by understanding what problems they are preventing or solving. We also consider internal versus external motivation. An internal employee motivates themselves internally and may prefer autonomy. An external employee needs feedback, recognition, and reassurance to become more productive with visible appreciation. The procedures pattern is motivated by sequence, process, and structure. These employees feel comfortable with clear systems. The options pattern is motivated by flexibility, variety, and alternatives. These employees are energized by choices and creativity. When line managers use an employee's LAB profile patterns, communication improves, resistance decreases, motivation increases, supervision becomes easier, and productivity improves. Managers will be speaking the motivational language each employee naturally responds to. When middle managers know the patterns of their line managers, delegation, leadership, and accountability improve. Conflict decreases, and management performance improves. Middle managers gain a deeper understanding of how to motivate the managers who report to them. The LAB profile helps managers assign the right tasks by identifying who handles pressure well, needs structure, adapts quickly, follows through, needs supervision, and works independently. Managers can assign responsibilities that naturally fit the employee's patterns and capabilities. By using the LAB profile, managers spend less time correcting, pushing, repeating, supervising, rescuing, and resolving avoidable conflict. When communication and task assignments match employee patterns, management becomes smoother, easier, and far more productive, reducing stress. The organizational impact of using the LAB profile includes improved employee motivation, retention, communication, productivity, teamwork, and leadership effectiveness. The LAB profile creates a practical communication system that improves motivation throughout the organization. The core idea is that words that motivate one employee may discourage another. The LAB profile helps managers discover the language patterns that naturally motivate each individual employee, leading to improved outcomes. The LAB profile is a powerful system that helps managers understand and speak the motivational language of each employee. This leads to increased influence, effectiveness, and precision in their communication.